Hi, I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to Fast Easy Vegan. Hang on, Bix is at the door. Hi, Bixie boy. Yeah, buddy. Life is good with the dog. Today we're making beans in the Instant Pot because that makes the best beans on the planet. So in fact, it's the only thing I really use the Instant Pot for. My friend Chef AJ is amazing and she lives out of her Instant Pot and she has so many phenomenal recipes for it. And I just, am I a control freak? I don't know what it is, but I just really enjoy stovetop cooking mostly, except when it comes to beans. They come out creamy and delicious. So we're gonna make beans today. And let me move you down here so you can see what's going on my fascinating countertop. We have a bag of beans. Usually I get the 20-pound bag at Costco, but sooner or later you just run out of space. This is about 4 times cheaper to buy big bags of dried beans than it is to get canned beans. And I don't ever cook beans precisely. I put in what looks like a pretty good amount, and then I pour in enough water to cover it, plus. So this is like 8 cups of water here. For how many beans? I don't know. And then you never salt beans or lentils or any sort of legume before they're cooked, because what salt does is it makes the skin tougher. And that's not good. It never achieves that really wonderful creaminess that you would otherwise get. All right, so it's time for spices. I'm gonna put in, standard for me is a couple of bay leaves, some Italian seasoning, wrong side, maybe like a ½ teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then the yummy, yummy chipotle. What chipotle is, if you don't know, is jalapenos that have been roasted. So they have that wonderful smoky flavor. And I do add liquid smoke. We'll do that at the end. So here's our beans. And I put them on for 40 minutes. You can tell I don't use this all the time because I don't even know how to put the cover on it properly. All right. We want it sealed, we want it plugged in, and we're gonna put it on for, where's the beans? There it is. I pushed the bean chili button, there it is. Okay, so I'll see you when it's done, and then we'll dish up and we'll talk spices and flavors. Hi, I'm back for the unveiling of the beans. Let's check it out. Okay, there it is. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got some bay leaves floating around, and there we have it. Now the first thing we have to do, because remember we put some bay leaves in, we put some chipotle powder in. What else did we put in? Oh, you know what I forgot? Cumin. All right. And I've got some other stuff to add. Oh, and we put in Italian seasoning. So, we're getting there. Beans need salt, in my humble opinion. So in goes the salt. Let me get the cumin. Beans are actually the only place I really like cumin. The rest of the time it just smells like gym socks, you know? But yeah, just a little. A little goes a long way with cumin, and it's just wonderful with beans. Okay, so put a little bit of that. We put in a little bit of salt. Smoked paprika. I love this stuff. Shake an amount in there. You know, I just play it by ear. There aren't any hard and fast rules, except with liquid smoke, like a half a teaspoon, really. Just a few drops in there. And that'll make it different. Whoa, sorry about that. I was looking for my big spoon, couldn't find it. Okay. So, oh, that smells good. Smells smoky. Okay. So to make your beans creamy and from scratch, it doesn't have to do 2 hours on the stovetop. You can use your Instapot, and in an hour, it'll be cooked and cooled and ready to further season if you need it. Oh, beautiful. That's it. Enjoy your beans. The fiber is fabulous. Your body will be really, really grateful to you. And we'll talk next time when we're cooking another dish together. Be well, be happy, eat good food. Talk to you later.